Okay guys, this is our roast that cooked for 8 hours. I'm gonna cut off a little of the fat. That's just how, because we're not fat people. Don't like it. And then I'm gonna take and put it in this other crock pot, because we're gonna roast in here, and that is all meat, little tiny bits of fat. There. Then to that, we're going to add some new potatoes, and I kind of took a shortcut, guys. I boiled my potatoes and got them al dente, or whatever you want to call it. Look there. Ooh. Now I'm going to take you over to the stove, and we're fixing to make gravy to pour on top of that. Okay? Okay, guys. We've got our grease, about 3-4 tablespoons. We'll put our flour in there. And there I go, making my mess. I may need a little bit more flour. We'll just see. Test it out. Grease down a little bit, but it does need more flour. We want to try to break up all the lumps. Just using the back of my spatula. Okay, this will be good. Now I'm not going to salt it, because I'm going to use the broth that cooked off the roast to make the gravy. Now we want to cook our, the flour taste out. And I don't really care that it gets very thick in my crock pot. We just want the juice over the potatoes and the stuff. Okay, we'll be back in just a little bit. Okay, we've got it fairly brown. Like I said, it don't have to get real brown anyway, because we're putting the juice from the roast as our juice. Oh, that smells so good. See, it'll kind of calm down. Then we're just going to add all of it. And like I said, I don't care that it doesn't get real thick. It's okay. And I did add gravy mix to my roast last night, guys, but I don't know if y'all know, but it does not turn into a very thick gravy, or very melt on the meat gravy, I'll call it. Okay, we'll be back. Okay, guys, we're back. See how beautiful the gravy is. Now we're fixing to pour it over our meat, and then just let it cook until time to eat today. All right. Gonna be good, guys.